Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to build a skateboard. First, you need a deck. This is a street legal skateboard that I've been riding for like 3 or 4 months. Just okay. Then have some adventure trucks. Then we have some spacers. Don't. Then we have some. I don't know which brand these are, but these are hardware. And then we'll get to it. So be back in a moment. Okay, got the deck. Then we need to put in the hardware. So what I usually do is I would take off the nuts off the end. Put the screw in to there, so it will come out. Like that. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah, like that. Then two other spacers. Two. See, that is two. Then put the truck on like that so that it will be. The reason why I use two spacers is because it prevents wheel bite. See, before I had the spacers, had like scuffs on the edges. Then I put on the nuts loosely like that, so that I could put on the other one and then take it up all at once. So I'll do that in a moment. Okay, decided to show you all what I am doing. So Okay, so that's it. It's on loosely. I'm gonna tighten them up now. I use this screwdriver and a pliers. You want to do them tight enough so, like, see that one, so that it will go in, actually in the board, so that it will be like flush. Doesn't, when you're doing the ollies and kick flip, you don't slide your foot over and like destroy your shoe from popping out. Bolt. So I'm gonna do the other side. When you tighten your truck, you do not want no rattle in the trucks unless the wheels. And basically, that is how to put trucks on a skateboard. See my Baker sticker Venture and Plan B True sticker. This is it for today. Peace.